channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing my wig for you guys, and today's wig is from Hairvivi, and this is what their packaging looks like. Guys, I'm always so happy to work with them because the installation process for all their wigs are just so easy. They've just made everything so easy. So I feel like wigs from this company are very beginner friendly because they've just made everything so easy, from the elastic band to the pre-plucked hairline to the cap that comes with the wig. So I'm just going to show you guys what the wig looks like now. So when you open your box, this is what it looks like. I just love their packaging. Everything about this brand is just on point. Like, so when you open it, it comes like this. Obviously it comes with a brush for you to slick down your edges and whatnot. Comes with a clip that you can use obviously whilst you're installing your lace to put your hair to the side, and then it comes with the wig inside. And this time the wig I got from them is a bob, so I'm gonna try and install this wig for you guys on camera. They have definitely improved a lot of things about their wigs, which I'm gonna be sharing with you guys now. So you guys can see it comes pre-plucked. Guys, when I tell you this company, like, I just love working for them because doing a video for them is so easy, because from the lace to everything is just ready for you to just pop your wig on and go. So it comes with an elastic band inside, and this is their new elastic band. As you guys can see, instead of the hook thing, like the brow hooks that come on wigs these days, theirs comes with like an adjustable strap, so you can literally just pull it as tight as you want it to be or as loose as you want it to be. So you guys can see that, and it has their logo on it, which I think obviously looks very professional. So this is their new Invisi Scalp, and from how it feels, this doesn't feel like a normal wig cap like the one I have on. So their old wigs used to come with like this sort of wig cap that I have on. So their old wig used to come with this sort of material. As you guys can see, this is what they used to use, but now they've changed it, and this is the new material that comes with their wigs. And this material feels a lot more durable, I'm not gonna lie, because you can tell this is not cheap. Like, this is not the cheap material, you guys can see, and it's so thin as well, so obviously this will definitely blend into your skin a lot better. Look at that, it's so thin in comparison to this one, which was the old one. You can see that this is a lot thicker, and you see the difference, you see it. And one thing I like as well is that the lace comes in different tones. So this tone is the macaw color, and then there's another one which is cappuccino. So obviously cappuccino would be for like if you're lighter than me, and then macaw would be for like around my skin tone. So there's a cap that comes with mine already, but I don't know what shade this is, they didn't include it. But I'm just gonna pop the wig on for you guys now so you can see what it looks like. Actually, I'm gonna cut off the lace that comes with the wig, and then so I'm done cutting off the lace at the back. The next thing I'm gonna do, which is the new thing I've been doing recently, and guys, it just makes too much sense. Okay, so I grab the elastic strap from this side, and then I pop it on the other side. I don't know how to show you guys this. So pop it on this side, and then I grab the strap from this side and I pop it on the other side. So basically crisscross is what I do with the straps, and this just makes your wig very secure, and you can kind of get like the glueless install from doing this technique. So that's what that looks like. Now I'm just gonna pop the wig on for you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut off some of the lace so this doesn't mess up my brows. Guys, oh my god, I'm so happy with this wig, and the hair that comes with their wigs is so soft and so silky. So this is what the hairline looks like, as you guys can see, and this is the parting that comes with the wig as well. This is definitely a 13×6. You guys can see how long the parting is, and this is what the hairline is saying. So getting your wig from this company would make life so much easier for you, because everything is done for you. Like, you just need to come on, you just need to literally install your wig and you're good to go. So now I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace. Champagne dripping on his wristwatch. Audition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup. But he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Pain dripping on his wristwatch. Audition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup. But he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Oh, yeah. Said he want to ride with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Guys, listen, I'm so in love with this wig. Like, I haven't even styled the wig. All I've done is literally install the wig so far, and the fact that this is not glued on and it's this laid, and guys, this wig is very secure. Like, it's not going anywhere. Like it's set. It's set. This wig is set, okay? Look at that. And this is not glued down. It's not glued down. I love the lace from this company. Same thing on this side as well. Like, obviously I'm not trying to glue this wig down because I feel like it's giving me Naomi Campbell vibes, so I'm just gonna straighten my hair down like this. Also, I am being lazy, so that's another reason why I don't want to straighten it down. I don't want to glue it down, so I'm just gonna grab my Remington straighteners and I'm just gonna go in and just straighten this wig. So now I'm just gonna apply my peracare stick on my wig, just to, you know, put the flyaways in place. I really like short hairstyles, guys. This hair looks so natural as well, and I feel like obviously now that it's getting really hot, this is the best like hairstyle. It just makes sense. It makes so much sense. So I'm just gonna grab my hairbrush and just brush certain things in place, basically. Guys, I love this wig. Oh my god, like I love it. This literally looks, is this my hair? Is this my hair or not? Is it actually my hair or not? Because even just the length, like everything, and the cut on the wig as well, I just love it. It looks super natural, guys. Like you would think this is my hair. Look how laid the lace is, and this is not glued down. Even the parting as well, the way they've done everything, it just comes ready for you to go, literally. So I love this wig, and the elastic band is very comfortable as well, unlike the other ones that are just like really bulky and then you have to take them out. This one feels very comfortable, no lie. So I'm just so happy with this wig. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Is it from the hair? The hair is so silky, it's so soft. And then just the wig itself, how it's constructed and everything. This wig gets 5 stars from me, no lie, literally. I think what's gassing me the most is how laid this wig is, and this is without me gluing it. It's not glued. Hairvivi, they're definitely changing the game, boy. They are changing the game. Okay guys, so that brings me to the end of this video. I really like this wig. If you like this hairstyle, if you like this bob on me, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for everything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.